back to the power.
The Regional Democratic Alliances is optimistic of the victory in the upcoming Lok Sabha election if the alliance retains the votes cast in the last elections. Speaking to media persons, UDP General Secretary Jemino Mautho and Vice President Alantri F. Dakhar said that the combined force of UDP and HSPDP in the last election secured around 3.5 lakh votes, and if the RDA can retain the votes, their alliance would definitely win the poll. The party, meanwhile, also took note of the violence between the political parties in the running up to the polls. They said that the RDA has directed its leader to refrain from indulging in mudslinging and aggressive campaign.
At the vote share that we got last time, 2,99,000, and with combining with HSPDP with 66,000 comes to a total of 3,65,000. Then our candidate will sail through this time if that vote is retained. But we don't know as of now. When we look at the campaigning that is happening everywhere, sometimes it's very difficult to make a correct assessment. But as far as the party is concerned, because we have strong organizational roots, at the grassroots level, so we hope that those candidates will stay and remain with us. And if the vote share that we got last time in the last assembly election, 2,99,000 with HSPDP 66,000, I think our candidate will emerge victorious this time.
The National People's Party